Mag-box tayo guys. May nabili akong pot sa pang halaman. Sa Shopee. Mura lang siya guys kasi siya, parang dalawa na siya sa isang order.
I got it.
Got it? Nice.
Yeah.
So, mura lang siya.
And to put this
There.
before you can do it. I want a piano, please. I want a piano, please.
Okay. I'll order it now.
Oh, you ordered.
It's ordering delivering.
Yeah.
What about ordering?
Maliit lang pala siya, no?
Automating.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Magkano siya?
You're so good.
Kung sinabi sa'yo, sabi ko maliit.
You're so close.
Told you. Yan yung pinakamalaki.
Apat siya.
Apat?
Oo, marami naman. Magkano binayad mo dito lahat?
Something. 100 plus. 130 ganun.
130. Ay, may takip.
Ay, hindi siya madami.
Takip pala. So, ito. May parang
May plate. Plate tawag doon. Para sa tubig.
Tubig. So, parang papatak siya ng 60 ang isa, no? 65.
Wow.
Maliit lang siya.
But I want piano. To create that, I need this.
Try ko
I
pa
mean,
rin.
we don't have more.
Ay, bumubra. Pero ang magagamitan ko ito, po
How
siya?
did how did you buy that? Is
Malalim
it,
kasi.
is it
Mataas
like
kasi
a
pala sa
surfer?
Malapad pa nga yun. Yung storage na.
You can use this one.
Is it from McDonald's? Is it from McDonald's?
That's your tray. It's like a food tray.
It's like a food tray.
Yeah, it is. Hindi siya yung in-expect ko. Pero yung...
May sukat
kasi yung
naman
mga
kasi
ganito.
yun.
Ang sukat kasi
Inches yun, oh.
18 inches.
Awan, may sukat niya. Parang malaki ng konti sa ruler. Ang ruler, 12 inches eh.
Anyway, kaya naman siguro. Pupunuin mo lang naman to ng sand.
Dalawa naman yan eh. Kaso kasi, pag hindi makakatayo yung pusa dyan, sa laki ng pusa. That's what I am saying. Hindi naman, paano ba sila mag-poop? Di ba papatong sila dun sa ano?
Papatong.
Paano sila makakapatong dun napakaliit? Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo,
Kaya?
maliit.
Ay, ba't hindi sila makakapatong?
What kind of
Malaki sila pusa, paano sila
character
papatong
you
yung liit lang
like?
yan?
Pikachu or
Makalalaman natin.
Charmander?
Pikachu.
Me? Charmander.
Free shipping to?
Did you read that?
Usually, you cover it so that no one can
Touch
get
it.
inside.
Can get inside.
Sulit na rin siya. Kasi,
Do you mean there's
ano
smoke?
talaga siya. Makapal yung
Pag
plastic.
hindi mo ko pwedeng pag lagyan mo ng mga toys na natin.
What is going in? When it's
Lagyan mo ng
going
toys.
in, it's opening it. It's look, it's opening it.
Open sesame.
Look, it has touched it.
It did?
It's playing with it.